it's me, Leah. Today I'm going to be opening my pet, vet, care, and grooming play set. And you saw in the last video I did the what I got for Christmas. This is also one of the things I got for Christmas, so make sure you go ahead and watch that video after this, because then you will see the other presents I got for Christmas. Today, well, I'm going to be opening this giant box, and so you can see it much better. So let's go ahead and open this. Okay. This is super, super big. Okay guys, so I will be right back and I'll have all of this stuff set out on the ground after I take all this out of the plastic. So be right back. Now it is all taken out of the plastic box. So the first thing we have, which I'm going to do the little grooming side that we have, and it comes with cat adoption certificates, daily pet responsibilities, so like task, feed, water, walk, snuggle, train, play, has all these until Saturday. And then we have pet grooming services, wash and fluff, trim and style, nail trimming, full pet spa day. So these are a couple of cards. And then what we have here is some dog food. There's nothing in it, technically. And it says daily feeding chart. That means this right here, up to 20. Sorry, but this is dog food. It has different sizes of dogs. Heart healthy, so. And then we have a grooming brush to groom them. Like here we have the two plushes that come with them. You can just pet them, groom them, or whatever. Then we have some dog and cat shampoo. And then we have flea and tick guard. So don't tick. And then we have some cat food too, just not just dog food. Then it says over here that this is nail trimming, so to trim their nails. And then we have some names of the animals where we could just stick a name. So for the dog, I'm going to pick a name. I'm going to name the dog There's a lot of names on here, but I don't know if my dog should be a boy or a girl. But I'm going to make it a girl, and her name's going to be Bella. I'm going to go ahead and stick that on the collar. And the kitty's name is going to be, of course, Fluffy, because Fluffy is just the best name ever to ever have. That on you. Alright. Today. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe down below. And make sure you go watch my What I Got for Christmas and my new Hair Adorables video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!